Hello guys, I'm going to show you tutorial on Mitsubishi PLC. So here you are seeing Mitsubishi PLC and model is FX1N14MR. Here FX1N represent the PLC series, PLC type, and 14 here represent the total IOs that PLC contains. 14 IOs here represent 8 inputs and 6 outputs. So here you are seeing FX1N 14MR model, and this is output, and these are here inputs. These are all inputs: X0 first input, X1 second input, and up to X7. And here these are all outputs, 6 outputs. And M represent main unit. It means that it has inbuilt integrated power supply, CPU inputs, outputs. And R represent output type. R means relay output and T means transistor output. Now Mitsubishi PLC is a Japanese company PLC, and Mitsubishi PLC has basically two types, and first one compact type and second one modular. In compact type we have FX3U, FX2N, FX1N and FX1S. In modular type PLC we have Q series PLC, and this is showing Q series PLC pick, and this is pick of compact type PLC. In compact type PLC, it consists of inbuilt power supply, CPU, and input outputs. But in what's the difference between modular PLC? In modular PLC, there are separate slots for power supply, CPU, and input output card. But in compact type PLC, all these are in integrated form. So here you are seeing definition: compact type PLC. This type of PLC had integrated power supply, CPU, and input output. In modular PLC, this type of PLC has separate slots for power supply, CPU, and inputs outputs. To program Mitsubishi PLC, we have cable, and that cable name is SC09. This cable is used to program Mitsubishi PLC FX1. And the software that we use, programming software for Mitsubishi PLC, and this one is GH Developer version 8.0. So this is software. Now how to use addressing in Mitsubishi PLC. For input addressing, we have inputs in the format X0 first input, X1 second input, X2 third input. For output, we have syntax Y, Y0 first input, first output, Y1 second output, Y2 third output, and for memory it represents by M. And now if you want to program Mitsubishi PLC uh, while using timer, then the syntax for timer is T0 space K100. Here T0 space K100. Suppose you want to provide 10-second delay, then T0 space K100. Here T0 represent it's a timer number. It can be from T0 to T255, and here K100 represent preset value. Suppose you are going to provide 5-second delay, then it will be K50. Suppose you want 12-second delay, then it will be K120. Here key represent constant value. So friends, I am going to show you tutorial on software how to program PLC. So we have software GX developer. So open it. Now here go to project, click on new project, and here PLC series. Select which PLC series we have. As I told you that we have two types, Q series and FX series, FX CPU, and then PLC types. So many PLC types are available. So here which hardware, which PLC type you have, you select that one. So FX1N program type, it is in ladder, and then click on OK. So let's start with simple input and output programming. So first connect input and a contact. Here you are seeing shortcut F5, you can use also. So for input we know that X0 is a format addressing, so X0, and now for output we have addressing syntax Y0 first output. So we have connected an output with an input x0, and now after that the second step is to convert program. Here is shortcut F4, you can use this, convert, and then now we don't have hardware. Suppose you don't have hardware and you need to check your program with the help of simulator. Then here you are seeing simulator. Switch on this simulator, and here you are seeing the program is downloading to the PLC. Now the last step is to test your program. So right click and then go to device test, and here type the address x0 you want to switch on, and here force on and force off. So first force on switch, then you are seeing here the output goes on, and if you press force off, then the output goes off. So this is basically program of simple input and outputs. Now next program we will use timer. So here you are seeing this is monitor mode. This is called monitor mode, and this is called write mode. Suppose you want to change program, you want to edit your program, then you have to go write mode. And now right click, insert line for new, and here we will use timer. So double click here and symbol, here you select this coil, and now the syntax is for timer T0 space K 100. And now the timer bit we can use T0, and with the help of this timer bit we are going to connect an output Y0. Now the same procedure, convert this program and then go to online. Here you are seeing write to PLC, click on this, select all, execute, execute write to PLC, yes, again click on yes, and the program is going to download into the PLC. Okay, yes, and we close, and here click on monitor mode, then right click, device test, and type the address of input x0 and force on. So you are seeing the timer is running and the output is right now off, but after 10-second delay the output will be on with the help of this timer bit. So you are seeing the output gets on and when the time is finished. So here you are seeing that how we can use timer in this Mitsubishi PLC program. So thanks guys.